We're here with Sister Fatmata. She lost her husband 3 months ago. Not only that, she also lost her eyesight. And she has 6 children. I can only imagine how difficult it is to take care of her children and not being able to see them nor connect with them. And that's the story of Sister Fatmata. And what we want to do today is give her that sense of power again, that sense of dignity, that she can care for her children even in the absence of her husband. And we're going to go visit the medical camp later, where over 300 patients will have their eyes checked and will also get the procedure to get their sight back. We just arrived to the medical camp where Sister Fatmata is getting her screening done, and inshallah she will be getting her surgery soon. I can see how emotional she's getting. It's a sigh of relief that now she can finally connect with her children and grandchildren, and she can go back to what she had.
We're removing the bandages and we're gonna have a very emotional moment. I'm so happy for you. Alhamdulillah. Wallahi, we take sight for granted. Sister Fatmata's story is a successful one due to your continuous support and donations. You can see her smile. You can make so many other people happy in this area by giving them this procedure. A small one, yet life-changing. Her happiness is contagious. You have the power to make people happy. So this Ramadan, give the gift of sight.